Are you ready to step out of all human drama right here and right now? All you have to do is stop identifying yourself with your human limitations. My name is Carmen. On my channel, I share inner freedom tools. And today I want to share the inner freedom tool number 1. If you do this, you will never have to do any healing work again. It is as simple as that, but you need to be ready. You are much more than your human being. You are the one using your body as a tool to function in this physical world. If you identify yourself as being that body, being your emotions, being your nervous system reactions, you are in a lot of trouble. And if you want to solve your problems and if you want to heal on the basis of this identification, if you want to step out of being and feeling small, not able to act, unworth, you feel limited, because you are, if you identify with being only human, then this path will take a lot of time, and your mind will even tell you it might afford more than one life, because that's what the limited mind understands and knows. But here's the good news. You are much more than your limited mind can ever understand or even imagine. So the solution of all our limitations created by that mind is to step out of that. And you can do that in 3 simple steps. The first step is you become aware of who you are not. You are not your mind. You are not your thoughts produced by the mind. You are not your personality and the emotions produced by the personality. And you are not your body and your nervous system reactions. Second step is you are using your body. You are using your mind. You are using your emotions. You are using them as tools to act in this world. And if you are using them, you cannot beat them, because you are using them in the same way as you use your car. You wouldn't identify as being your car, would you? It's quite clear to you. You go outside and use your car, but this is your tool to bring you to some destiny you want to go. In the same way, we, our true selves, are using this body and the related instruments like the mind and the emotions and our nervous system to function in this world. This is our tool on this world, basically, in this world to function. And to make this really clear to ourselves, we can step like outside of our body right now and start observing our body. This makes it even more clear. That's the third step. Like we start observing our body, we look at it from outside. We can also observe our thoughts, we can observe our physical reactions, we can observe our emotions, and then we are like, we step out of this identification. So we step out of the limitations, because we ourselves don't have to be limited to our body's like abilities to function, because this is one instrument and we still have much more, and we from now on step behind our body and observe our body functioning in this world. And the observing function brings us to this state of perception. We are perceiving what is. We are basically like a camera which is like recording whatever happens. Whatever happens here in this, like with this figure in this world. And we don't judge about anything, because camera doesn't judge, it's observing, and we can do much more than the camera. We are perceiving this moment's energy and this moment's requirements. Because if we are observing, this magic happens that we are automatically in this moment, and we will perceive what this moment requires now, here and now, for our own figures. Like, what does this moment require? What kind of action? What kind of like, what do I have to do? Do I have to do something with my body, for my body, with my body, for the outside world? What is to be done? Do I have to recharge? Do I have to give, produce? What is it that's to be done now? And you will know that being this observer, being your true self, you know in every moment what is right to be done now. What is right in this moment and what is right for you in this moment. And of course, if you experience this being, you never want to use your limited mind's function again. So I invite you to practice doing that from now on. And whenever you start identifying as, oh, I am anxious, I am weak, I am, and you identify with your anxiety, for example, because you have always done that and you come back into this pattern, what you do is you remember, I am not my anxiety, I am not my fears, I am not whatever you identify with. I am the one using this instrument, and I am stepping one step behind my body, observing the anxiety, observing this person, and I can even like support this figure's anxiety at the moment out of this state, being in the perception, being the observer, being the here and now, and do what needs to be done here and now. So start living your magic. Use this number one and only tool. You never need any other tool. I promise. And if you need more help to get ready and get to this point where you want to do that and you really start doing that and you practice that until you reach that state, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more inner freedom tools. But my honest opinion is you actually need only this number one tool. And I learned that 5 years ago from Kurt Tepperwein, who is a very conscious and at the same time grounded soul, teaching exactly that. And immediately I knew this is the only thing actually I need to ever know and do. So use your power. Reclaim your true self. Reclaim your true self now. You are able and you are connected to everything that is at any moment. Know this. Observe this. Learn to observe this. Be the observer. Perceive and be free. See you in the next video.